Hello, hello everyone. I've got an unboxing. Woo-hoo! This is from Vera, who has the Vero, the Houston Craft Boutique. Now, if you were watching V from Steals the Show Crochet and Chef a couple of weeks, well, by the time this video goes live, it'll be sorry about that. Vera was on showing all her Mexican yarn, and I might have purchased just a little bit. So I've never had Mexican yarn before, so I'm super excited. So I think it was sometime in January. I know this is going out in February, so it's well packed. Just a little note, I did have to pay customs duty on this, and I knew that because it came via UPS. I had to pay for customs, which is a bit of I've never done it before, so but I knew with it being UPS that I would end up having to pay. So customs, I've received mail from Denmark, which is in Europe, and I did have to pay customs on that, but I think this is the first time I've had to pay customs from America, but I knew I would have to because of it being from UPS. So I got a little card, a little letter. Let's see what's in here. Many thanks. That's nice. Handmade. Thank you. And let's see what I got. So I got 2 skeins of the Trigo Bougainvillea. And I think it is cotton. Yes, 100% mercerized cotton, 100 grams, 270 meters, 295 yards, and it is I would say this is a 2 weight. That's a 2. So I've got 2 of them. So I've got 2 of them. I got I think these are the same. I got Hilaza Harmonia, the Omega cotton. This is lilac or purple. Obviously it's in Mexican, so let me see, it's 100% mercerized cotton. Oh right, 100 grams, 328 yards, 300 meters, and yeah, made in Mexico. So I've got 3 of them. So I've got 3 of them. They're very, very nice. And then I got, oh, 3. I might have got more of them. Hold on. 4. 5. I got 5 of them. And they're so soft. So soft. And I would say this is a 1 weight. This is definitely, I would say, a one weight. So really, really nice. So thank you, Vero. Then I got Eulalia in Orchid, and this is 100 grams. Look at that colour. And I got 4 of these, and let me see, it's 360 metres, 394 yards. It's 100% mercerised cotton, and it is beautiful, and this is a one weight as well. These are all one weight, guys, and you know me and my cotton. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So I've got 4 of them. Woohoo! I've got 4 of them, and I got the same in lilac. Yay! Look at them. Mexican yarn. Who's a happy bunny? So I'll put all the link to Vero and her website. She is based in Houston. So yeah, so I got 4 of these. Look at them. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So I've got them. Again, the same specs. Eulalia, Bougainvillea. It's a darker Bougainvillea, but that is really nice. And so I've got 5 of them. Ooh. I got, oh, I love this colour. Baby blue. Oh, it's blowing it out. It's more of a, I would say, an aqua. Yeah, I would say it was an aqua, guys. Not the kind of soft baby blue that I would think it was. And I've not even got anything here that I could show you that it's so, but it's amazing. I got 5 of those. I got 5 of the Sky Azul, which I think is blue, and isn't that a beautiful blue? I think that'll go really nice with my complexion. What do you think, guys? Do you think I'll suit that colour? Again, same specs as the others, 360 metres. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So I've got near enough 1,800 yards. Oh no, I've got 4, 8, 12. I've got nearly 2,000 yards in this. This will make something absolutely spectacular. Either knitted or crocheted. Oh, it's gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Turkish yarn, yarn arts. Remember that granny square blanket that I made for the challenges, not last year, the year before, and I used a one weight. That's what it reminds me of. The same softness, and yeah, it very much reminds me of that, but it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And it is cotton, guys. You know me and cotton, I absolutely adore it. I just wish they did a lot more bougie yarn in cotton, because then I'd be set then, guys. I would be set. So yeah, so I've got 5 of them. And last but not least, I got 5 of the Manta, which I believe is cream. So I've got plenty. Oh, that is gorgeous. What about them two together? What about them together? Wouldn't they make a fabulous project? Or them or all 5 of them together would make a fabulous project. What do you think? Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Vera, and obviously V, my super magenta V. I spent a fortune, guys, but you know what? It was well worth it. Absolutely over the moon with this yarn. Absolutely over the moon. Love it, love it, love it. And cotton, guys, you know me and cotton. I absolutely adore the stuff. So, I think that's all from me for today. Thank you so much to V, to Vero, to everyone watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, to all my new and long-standing subscribers. Thank you for always being here, leaving your comments, your thumbs up. And guys, even if you don't leave a comment, please leave a thumbs up, because it helps me so much. Not only me, but other content creators too. So take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.